Hello, I'm Florin from BT Provider, and today I'll show you how to create a Parliament chart. A Parliament chart is used to represent the distribution of seats in Parliament and is not a standard chart type in Tableau, but you can create it manually with some calculation and customization. This type of chart is useful for representing proportional distribution, such as seats in a Parliament, votes, or other categories in a visual attractive way. We have to start by preparing our data and make sure it's in a format that includes, in this case, the party and the number of the seat occupied by each person. First, we have to create two parameters. The first one we're going to call it rows. Make it integral with a value 12. And the second one, we're going to call it rows from center, integer with a current value 10. Next, we will have some calculated fields which will help us correctly display the data. The first one, we're going to call it index. We're going to use the index formula -1. Next one, we call it total, and we will represent the total number of deputies. We're going to use a fixed formula, fixed calculation. Count. The next calculated field, we're going to call it item, and it's going to have the formula int from index, previous calculated, split by rows. The next calculated field, we're going to call it steps, and it's a formula that considers the half circle that we want to represent. So we're going to have 180 divided by 5 total divided by rows -1 and close the bracket. Then we can calculate the distance. Which we get the formula index and from rows, and we're going to add the rows from center. And finally, the last two calculation of the coordinates x and y start with x, which we're going to use the formula cos gradient from the item we're going to multiply with steps and again with distance. Copy the formula and create the last one, the y, with the same formula, but we're going to use the sinus. Now we can move to visualizing the data by bringing all the deputies on the detail. and also the party on the color, so we can differentiate the parties. Now drag the X on the columns and Y on rows. To view all the circles, we must select Edit Table Calculation from X and select the specific dimension, the party and the seats. Now the chart is ready and we just have to beautify it. We can select circles, make it a little bigger. Also, we have the option to sort from the table calculation by custom. Or if we want, we can change the number of rows and distance from center. Let's start with number of rows and go back for distance from center. We can eliminate the axis and also the grid lines. There you have it. Thank you very much for your attention. I wish you a wonderful day.